How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of tonsil stones, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So why do you get tonsil stones, you guys? Normally you get tonsil stones because you don't floss at night. Food gets stuck in your teeth. If you don't floss, sometimes it drips down, it gets inside your tonsils. Another reason why is food just sometimes get stuck in your tonsils if you're not chewing the food good enough, you don't chew it long enough. Either way, it doesn't really matter why you got it. The point is, to get rid of it, you want to do what's called a salt water rinse. All you do is you get 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of water, mix it in a glass, get the salt, gargle with it like this, and then spit it out. That's it. Gargle maybe 5 seconds, spit it out. The salt kills the bacteria, and that's what tonsil stones are. They're bacteria. So again, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of water, it could be cold, warm water, doesn't matter, and then gargle with it and then spit it out. That is all you have to do, you guys. It is super, super simple. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.